Immerse yourself in a space where soft color tones and luminous glass accents invite calm and inspiration. The kitchen, wrapped in soft touch matte sand beige, radiates warmth and sophistication. While the with Himalaya crystal ultra soft stone surfaces reflect natural beauty and timeless strength. A seamless harmony of design and function. This is more than a kitchen, it's a living environment that inspires creativity, nurtures connection, and elevates every moment spent within it. As the glass sliding door opens to reveal the pantry, the spaces unfold effortlessly into one another. It's a vision of modern comfort, guiding you toward a future where beauty and ease flow naturally through every part of your day.